चलो।
Okay, guys, we are going to start a 5-second challenge with Abdul Hadi and Abdul Rahman. So I will give you a word for 5 seconds. Abdul Hadi, you will spell it, and Abdul Rahman will draw it. The first word is cat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Stop, Abdul Rahman. The second word is bed. Bed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. The third word is ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Yes, Abdul Rahman, where's your cat? This is cat. Where's your bed? The big bed with 2 pillows, and the cat is sleeping on the bed. So where's the ball? Okay. ठीक है. Where's the cat, Abdul Hadi? Bed, ball, ball. It's O. It's not O. It's yes. Right, A. You're welcome. Well done. So give yourselves a star. Both have won the challenge. Well done.
आज हम लोग गाड़ी का ऑयल चेंज करा जाएंगे, ये देखिए।